Hello, dear Pisces. Welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. Before we begin our reading for the month of November 2020, I request you all to please do like and subscribe my channel. And I also request you to please share my videos. Thank you so much for doing that. So, Pisces, I have your cards ready with me for the month of November 2020, and these cards are cautioning me on many things. Yeah. Um yeah, you need to be a little cautious about your money, your relationships, especially this month. Pisces, I'm seeing that you have been struggling. You have been actually you have been struggling with some decision with regard to your emotional life, with regard to your love life or family life, where you are not able to decide, come to some conclusion. So this is what has happened or has been happening from past few weeks. Yeah, you are struggling with this situation, and I'm seeing that some life changing events are happening this month. So these changes, the Pisces, may not be no something that you desire to, something you were thinking, yes, if this would have happened, okay, then this is good for me. So this is not something, this may not be something of your choice, but these changes are something for your good. Okay, something which was not serving the purpose in your life, that part of life might start healing from now on. So you might feel shuffle, you might feel that everything has moved in your life. Okay, so these kind of possibilities are there this month, which might also disappoint you, Pisces. I am telling you this, no, I'm just thinking, yeah, you are actually in a phase of life. Most of you are in a phase of life where these changes are required for a better life, for a better future. So most of you with death card in your position, you are now prepared, or you are in a position, or just prepare yourself that yes, changes are bound to happen. You are going to face some life changing things. You see, life no life changing instances this moment in your life. So you should be prepared with that, Pisces. Unfortunately or fortunately, you see, you may not be desiring these changes also. I am saying may, probably you may desire these changes, or you may not desire changes, which may put you, I'm seeing that, you see, five of cups, which may put you in some disappointing phase. You may have to go this phase also this month. So it's like more of a kind of a low, emotionally low, disappointing month. But nothing to worry about, this is just a part of life. I have your energy card. Sorry, I just take it close to you. Rest and rejuvenate. So this is the message from your energy card, which says that no, this is the time for you to rest. This is the time for you to just simply accept what things are happening, what is going on in your life. So you just have to, yeah, you just have to accept these things and simply relax, because this is not the time where you should be proactive about it. You should be proactive, not about, no, you should not be proactive about your life instances. You should not be wondering why it is happening to me. You should not be no actually, if I should say, then you should be more about no you should be more about just accept it and let it go. Yeah, so you shouldn't be reacting to everything. The more you react, the more painful it will be. So if someone doesn't, if someone doesn't want to stay in your life, let them go. Probably you may get someone else. Yeah, you may get someone who is really good, someone better, or probably this person was not serving in your life, not serving good for your life, or probably that you might have to learn something from this experience. Yeah, so these kind of changes, the fundamentals of your life which are not properly laid, the foundations which were not properly laid are going to are if the foundation is not properly laid, the building might fall any moment. So this is the time this is the tower is there in the present position. So this is a time where I am seeing that yes, your building might fall, those things which were not based on a proper foundation. Okay, so these things might fall down, and again you will get an opportunity. So life changing instances with the death card in your position might happen, might bring, this is again, yeah, page of wands is also there, and I have page of cups in your environment position, which is getting you the opportunity of making these changes happening, I mean of making these changes possible. And at the same time, this the next time, now the rebuilding happens, and that is going to happen in a more stronger foundation. So this time you will not fall. So this is a learning for us. This month is more of a learning, Pisces. So just be prepared, don't give up. I understand that you are going to through some emotional turbulence also. So yeah, this is just a part of life. So what the energy says here is rest and rejuvenate. So just relax. Yes, if you feel like crying, yes, do it. But don't take these things to the future. Don't just think that yes, this is the end. This is not the end, because I have positive cards in your future again. Knight of Pentacles, some good things may come up in the future, but this has time. But you have to heal yourself. This is a time where now your healing is starting. So make the most of it, and the better you prepare for it, the better you heal yourself this moment. Okay, this month or in the coming months, you will be able to, I tell you, you will be able to open yourself for more prospects and for better opportunities, in fact, in the future. Take my word, dear Pisces. Yes, if the more you heal yourself this time onwards, the more you will be able to open yourself for no very very good opportunities, in fact excellent opportunities in the future. So Pisces, I really wish you good luck. I also wish you happy Diwali. I wish you good luck. Take good care of yourself, which is very important this month. Yeah, I see you again in the coming month, Pisces. So till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.